So since we moved into this house, this gap is getting ridiculous on the garage door. So I figured I'd go program the garage door opener and show you guys how to fix this problem. It'd take you less than 2 minutes to fix it, and a lot of people just don't know how. It's super simple. Here we go. She's nice and tight now. It's a huge gap. We got a gap that goes all the way across the garage. Hopefully we don't have any light coming through by the end of this video. But we need to try to adjust this thing. So I have a Genie model 2128, and it's got these little plus and minus signs right here. I don't know if you guys can see them, but here's our minus sign. You have to hold the down negative button until that light starts blinking. And after it becomes solid, it'll start blinking. So once it starts blinking, you can control the garage door by pushing these buttons. So what I'm doing now is hitting the plus button to raise the door. Alright, and now I'm going to push this down button. You're in full control of the garage door opener now, so you keep hitting this button until your gap is gone. And so you pretty much put that thing all the way down on the ground, and it's all the way down now. And while this light is blinking, you want to this program set button one time, and that'll make both lights come on, and then they go away, and your garage door will be set. Your garage door will be set where you want it to be, where it's nice and tight to the floor with no gap. We could test it a couple times to make sure we did it right. And look at that. It's fixed.